Hello little artist, I'm Marina Olson and today we're drawing a panda. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay little artist, today we're gonna draw a panda. I hope you like this lesson and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Let's start in the middle of the paper, and the first thing we're gonna do is an oval shape for his nose, and this oval is tiny and we're gonna fill it with black. Shape underneath the nose, and we're gonna do a curve that points to the right, and this is gonna be his mouth. Now let's do the first eye on the left side, and we're gonna do an oval shape. And we're gonna fill this with black. Now on the right side is gonna be a little farther away from the nose, so I want to leave that finger space and I want to put another oval shape. We're also gonna fill this with black. Next we're gonna do two circles that go around his eyes, and we're gonna go really close to the inside part or close to the nose. And we're gonna go apart when we go to the left. So we have a bigger space in the center than in the left side. Let's repeat these steps now on the right side. We're gonna go here close to the circle, and now I wanna go wide and apart from the circle on the right side. Next thing will be do his hand that is touching his mouth, and it's gonna be an upside down letter U. So we're gonna do a curve, and in the other side down. And this one goes a little long and curves up, and we're gonna leave a space right here. We're gonna do 1 and 2 lines for the claws, and in this space that you have here, you can leave it like that, or we can do his mouth open. So we're gonna do 2 lines, and inside we're gonna do the tongue. Now we can do the head. And we're gonna start on this left side. We're gonna go up and curving, and I want to stop at the middle of the eye. The same thing in this side. We're gonna go up, and we're gonna pass the eye, and we're gonna connect with the other side. Let's do the ears here with 2 upside down letter U's. Down here we're gonna do the other hand. It's gonna be similar to this one. We're gonna do a big letter U, and we're gonna leave a little bit of a space here. Now let's do the leg on the left side, and because he's sitting, we're gonna do 2 oval shapes. So we're gonna do here 1, and let's do another oval shape inside. And here we're gonna do 1 more curve to connect with the hand. Here the same thing, we're gonna connect with the hand. Now let's go in the other side, doing the back. We're gonna leave a finger space between the hand and the back, and we're gonna curve down, passing the hand, and here we stop. And now we're gonna do 2 more oval shapes, the same thing as here. 1 and 2. And on the top here we can put 2 lines for the claws, and the same here. 1 and 2. Now we're gonna close here the bottom with a line, and here in the middle also we're gonna put a line, and here we're gonna curve up, and the last detail we're gonna mark where his color change, so we're gonna do a curved line here for the leg. And there, that's it. We finished this panda that is sitting here very happy, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay little artists, we are done. This is how the panda turned out now that we add the color. I choose a light gray here, not black, so I can see still the marks of the claws. But if you don't have that light gray, you can also use black, that's okay. Here the same thing around the eyes. I use a light gray so I can see the eyes. And at the end with this color pencil, I just add a couple rosy cheeks for my panda. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!